Welcome to today's explainer. We've all been there, right? You're standing at the ATM, or maybe you're at a crowded store checkout, and your mind just goes totally blank. Poof, the PIN is gone. Well, today, our goal is super simple. We're going to show you exactly how to change your Chase credit card PIN in a quick, completely stress-free way. And the best part? No waiting on hold with customer service.
Have you ever forgotten your credit card PIN right when you literally needed it the most? It is an incredibly frustrating problem to run into, especially if you're in a massive rush. But hey, don't worry, we're going to solve it together. Let's dive right in because this whole solution takes less than 2 minutes, straight from your computer or phone, and I'll walk you through exactly how it's done. All right, phase 1, accessing your account. Let's start right at square one so nobody gets lost. So, step 1. Go ahead and open up your web browser and head straight over to chase.com. You'll just use your standard username and password to log in, exactly like you always do, and then click sign in. Super easy. Moving right along to step 2. Once you're in your main dashboard, you might see a few different accounts listed there. You just need to select the specific credit card you actually want to update. For our example today, we're going with the Sapphire Preferred. Just give that a click. Okay, phase 2, navigating to card settings. Now for step 3, you're going to click on the Manage Account drop-down menu that's located right near the top right of your account details. Once that menu drops down, look for card settings and go ahead and select that. Which brings us to step 4. Right there under the card settings menu, it's pretty hard to miss. Just click on the option that says Change PIN. And now for the absolute most critical part, phase 3, updating your PIN. All right, step 5. You'll see a new window pop up here. You'll need to enter your current PIN first. After that, just type in your brand new super secret 4-digit PIN, confirm it by typing it one more time in that third box, and hit the blue Next button. Step 6 is really just a quick security check. A little pop-up box is going to ask you to review the changes for your specific card, just to make sure it matches the one ending in your 4 digits. Once you verify it's the right card, simply click that blue Confirm button. Almost done. Our final phase, confirmation and mobile app. Step 7 gives you that highly satisfying success message. You get the green check mark confirming your PIN has been officially changed, and you could just click Done to close out the prompt. Now, the absolute best part is step 8. Your new PIN is active immediately. Seriously, there is zero waiting period here, which means you are fully ready to use it right this second for any ATM withdrawals or in-store purchases. How great is that? Finally, we've got step 9. If you happen to be on the go and need to do this straight from your phone, it is just as easy. You literally just open the Chase mobile app, select your card, and dive right into the card settings menu to find Change PIN. The layout is basically identical, so it's a total breeze. So the big takeaway here is that taking control of your account settings really doesn't have to be a frustrating hassle. Now that your PIN is completely secure and you know exactly how easy this whole process was, what other digital banking tools haven't you explored yet? Take that newfound confidence and discover what else is waiting right at your fingertips to completely simplify your financial life. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.